Guys, welcome to Show Me Tint. I'm Randy and I'm gonna show you what we're wrapping up today. We just finished a project for my dude, Jerry Grace. He's like a super cool customer. He customizes all of his vehicles. We did a black vinyl top. I don't know if you scroll back to the video before, you'll get to see it before. We blacked the wheels with some powder coating. We added on to some stuff we'd already done. We'd already done the taillights. We'd already done the roof. He said, let's make it a little, go extra, do a little whatever you want, make it look cool. So we tied the black into the back, brought it over the black badge, tied it into the chrome delete we already did. So now it looks like more of like a two-tone half wrap. And he saw the video with the headlights that we did for Chance and we ripped off. He's like, dude, that's mine. I love that. We threw those on there. And honestly, it looks way cool. Like, it's super cool, cool car for a cool guy, you know, and he's been coming, I think ever since like COVID. He rolled up one day and he's like, are you still working on cars? And I was like, yeah, dude, let's do it. And he was like, all right, I'm working on my car. And we've been doing stuff ever since, you know. I can't wait for him to get this. He actually already saw it and he was so hyped. He hypes me up. He gets me hyped up. He's like, dude, this is amazing. I love your work. So I'm glad we're out there killing it. I'm glad people can enjoy it. It's good to get that positive feedback and stuff, you know. So I'm excited. I'm excited to keep things rolling for people. I like helping people. I love people stand out. We're doing a lot for people today. We've got a bunch of Corvettes. Why does this truck look familiar? Oh, it's Nick's dude ride. What up, Nick? They're on lunch. They just come back from lunch. I swear every time we make a video, they're on lunch. They must take like 15 lunches a day or something. I don't know. Let's head inside. We'll see what's cracking in there and we'll get everybody in and out today. Should be a pretty solid day. We're trying to beat the rain, so hopefully we can get everybody their clean cars before it rains. My guy right there.
Making a groovy one car at a
yeah,
time,
man, I love it. I love it. Yeah, I love it. Okay, dude, yeah, we're making them right now. Thank you, dude. Ladies are in here, keeping it chill. And a little prettiness to the counter, you know, and we keep it cool back here. This is a C8. I don't know if you know this about me, but years ago, I used to work at Fazoli's here in town, a nice little Italian place. I didn't know where I was going with my life. I had no idea what I was doing, and this is my old boss. He like came in and he was like, dude, do I recognize you? And I was like, yeah, I think you do. And then it clicked. So years ago, I used to make spaghetti, I guess. Stirring the pasta. Yeah, this week on Show Me Vets, we've got vets, and more vets. Like, we've got this C8, this ZR1, and this other C8. So this guy, he actually had paint protection before. We did it, super stressed out. He loved this car when it first came out. Brought it all the way from Arkansas, like Harrisonville, something like that, Harrisonville, something. In my mind, clear in Arkansas. But he got hit by a spare tire coming back from getting it serviced. He's like, dude, my car's messed up, freaking out. He's like, I was like, dude, the paint protection will probably take care of all the impact. Don't stress, bring it up to me. He's like, I'll come out tomorrow. And we replaced it, no paint was damaged. We got new paint protection back on it, minimal cost, this thing's ready to roll. And it's looking fresh. This is the matte black we did. We just gave it a little touch up, a little check out. And yeah, we're doing a lot today. Did I show you the antisocial? Have you seen that? Let's see how Nick's doing on it. He's been jamming this puppy out. I told him I'd throw him a little extra cheddar if he can get done by Friday. It looks good, man. It is gonna be hot and fresh off the press. This is a Mustang RTR, means ready to rock. Ready to rock, like us, ready to rock. So that's what we're doing. We're getting things in, getting things out, making them fresh. This is just a small taste of what's about to happen. I'm telling you right now, spring is sprung, but summer is popping. And I cannot wait to show you. You guys are gonna love it. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna have a good time. You guys wanna go down and see what's up at the tint shop or what? Say yes if you wanna go down there. Say yes, we're going. Okay, let's go. Guys, I wanted to stop by and show you this real quick. Ladies, guys, gals, friends of all ages. This is all tinted now. See how the glass is darker? You know what I mean? That's how it's tinted. Yeah, he was supposed to pick it up last night and he showed up in a BMW and he was like, I totally forgot the boat was here. I was like, what was the plan? Why'd you even come over? You know what I mean? Like, bring a truck. Like, this is looking good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go. We're at the tint shop, guys. This is where all the action happens. This is really my crew down here. These are my guys. This is something we just tinted. I don't know, it's pretty wild. This is just every day. We never know what we're gonna get. Little bit of, what is that, one of those? No, I don't know how that goes. Whatever you're into. Guys, what is going on with this thing? What does it mean by hot box? Is that because it doesn't have tint and it was hot before? Is that what it is? Yeah, hot. So it's a hot box because it doesn't have tint. That's what they're telling me. Oh yeah, super lit. What? Emily gets to have all the fun. That's nice.
She might not be a hot box, but maybe a thought box.
Yeah, a thought box. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. There's all those options. It's a good time. Don't hit another car. They hate that. This guy's just getting the windshield, I think. Let me show you, guys, let me show you this thing. It's so tough. I love these big dually trucks like this. This guy has the sickest toys. This just feels like a boss ride. God, it even smells good. Look at the screen in this thing. What in the world? I got a big screen in mine, but I like the way this one is. Like his mobile office. He's just running like 3 companies, driving around, killing it. I could do that. Just feel cooler in it. All right, well, we're on with our day. This is it. We're just jamming them out, having fun. Well, we did it last week. We did some lights and we did some tint. He got his new wheels in, and we're gonna wrap the bumpers in metallic black to match the paint. And we're gonna do a little chrome delete slash, I think we're just doing some paint protection, maybe on the rear dually bed sides or something, maybe this piece. And then we're gonna ship it out to him. Or we're doing maybe a 5-year ceramic pro coating, that's right. And so it shouldn't be too big of an issue. Should be pretty jamming. Ultimate. Is that spelled correctly? Can we get a spell check on that? Ultimate, is that right? Oh, okay. I don't do a lot of reading. What if that lights up? Like checkmate, ultimate. All right, what do you want to do? You want to go to work? You want to go back to tint shop? You want to make more videos? You want to tint some cars? I guess we'll just take off then. All right, we'll see you guys later. Peace out.